is the first time you've been to our channel, I want to say hi, welcome, come on in. We got a lot to show you. Hi, I'm Pam, an award-winning artist that's been teaching art to groups for years. Becoming an artist is more intriguing than learning another language. It is another language. It could even be a new career. Don't people have the coolest idea of what artists are all about?
We just sketch it for the fun of it, because it is fun.
Well, there's more than that to it. Oh, yeah. That's because we're using both sides of our brain. Don't think you can't draw, because you can. You just have to be trained. And it's not that hard, and it happens pretty quick.